water cycle, right? What was the problem that we are going to try to solve today?
Let's see what happens when water is in different temperatures.
Okay, liquid water, right? You want to add to it? How do clouds form? And then you had to develop your own hypothesis. If the liquid water is exposed to a change in temperature, then it will, because all right, if you have a beaker, pick up your beaker and find the 50 milliliter mark. It's not much. If you
Can y'all tell me?
It's making fog.
It's making fog?
Yeah, like at the top, it's getting a little foggy up on the rack. And then it's getting all...
okay, on the paper, what are we doing?
And it's getting...
We are drawing what we see on the first one.
The gas, the hot...
And so the water is hot enough and it's in the plastic. So all the heat is getting stuck in it and it's burning that water.
Like evaporating.
There you go. It is that. So it is causing that water that is trapped in there because you put the plastic on top. Where is all that fog coming from?
The warm water.
The warm water. So what do we call that foggy substance? It's a gas, right? It's water vapor. Exactly. That's the water vapor that is evaporated up from the ocean. We don't typically see it, but we got it trapped in here so we can see it, right? And what do you think that foggy look is?
Water.
It is water vapor, but what did it form?
Air. Water droplet.
If you flew up in the sky and you saw it foggy like that up in the sky,
Water droplets.
it is water droplets. We call it a cloud. It's a cloud. Okay? And explain. I gotta have an explanation. That nothing is evaporated up and formed into a what?
Cloud.
A cloud through evaporation. It's water vapor. Now, once that cloud or that water vapor reaches a certain temperature, up near the top it's going to be colder. When cold air mixes with that warm water vapor, what's going to happen?
It's going to turn into droplets.
Right, it's going to be more of a cloud. Those droplets move together, right? What do we call that?
Imagine all those stone droplets.
What do we call it?
Condensation.
Condensation. So you should be able to see condensation when you put this ice on top of the plastic. But it's going to take a few minutes, so just watch it carefully. A little while for the ice, okay? So it'll take about 3 minutes for you to actually see the rain.
I can't see this. I look like it rained.
You're good.
Y'all guys, listen, our wait.
Yeah, it's condensation is what that is, right? That's condensation.